Hi, I'm Diana Swick Acevedo, and this is Renegade Baker. What makes me so passionate about Renegade Baker is I just love to bake. What my passion really comes from now is that what I'm putting out there is a better for you option. So today I have my paleo vegan Browny Bytes. These are sweetened only with dates. They're made with local organic Texas pecans. And I've got my mini paleo vegan purple sweet potato mini pies that are only sweetened with a little bit of maple syrup, and they're made with purple sweet potatoes, and they have a beautiful color to them. So Renegade Baker was a name that was given to me. I decided one night that I was going to go out and actually try to sell my baked goods in the streets. One night I met this man who was quite inebriated, and he said, "You're like some renegade baker out in these streets." And once he told me that, I was like, that's it, that's my name. My products are the best in Texas because they're paleo and vegan. All my products are made in my home kitchen. What I love about Renegade Baker is that I am filling a need. There are so many folks out there with dietary restrictions, people who are just looking for a healthier, cleaner dessert option, and I think that's why my customers love it as well. And I feel better about giving items like this to my family. I love being able to give my children gluten-free options with a lot less sugar. I couldn't do this without my family. They cheer me on, they support me in everything I do with this business, and they mean so much to me. It wouldn't be Renegade Baker without them.